Hello students, let's try to understand derivation of equilibrium constant in terms of Nernst equation. Here little bit I am increasing that in terms of Nernst equation. In terms of Nernst equation. From that we are going to derive Nernst equation. Now dear student, if I will take the electrode that is zinc and copper, okay, zinc and copper electrodes I am taking, right? So what happened student in this case, where what happened that zinc is more reactive, so it is going to become the oxidation, so Zn2 plus, then salt bridge, copper 2 plus is going to get reduced, so copper 2 plus is converting into copper. So what is happening here, this is happening the oxidation, and here is what is happening, a reduction. So here what you write student, E cell is equal to, that is E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon what we write, that is N. Log we write student, log that is whatever the going to be oxidation upon reduction, that what are going to oxidize and what is going to reduced. So if this cell, if I am writing E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N, it is log, what will be there student, Zn 2 plus upon what is there student, Cu2 plus. Of students, at equilibrium, what is happening student, there are many things which are happening at equilibrium. Here Kc is equal to, at equilibrium what is, that is Zn2 plus concentration, it is becoming equal to Cu2 plus concentration. So Kc, how can you write the Kc value if you see? So Kc is equal to, you will write that is Zn2 plus in one bracket, another bracket, Cu2 plus. This is the one things. Keep in mind. So Kc is we got. Now E cell, when the concentration is same, that is E cell become 0 when at equilibrium. At equilibrium E cell is equal to 0. So dear student, if we are considering this equation number 1. So from 1, what we can derive student from 1? Here we can place the Kc and E cell going to be 0. So what is from 1? 0 is equal to, it is going to be E naught cell. Here is minus 0.0591 upon it is N, and log it is going to be Kc. Or you can write another word, E naught cell, right student, E naught cell equal to 0.0591 upon N, and it is going to be what student, log Kc. So this is what the expression for equilibrium constant. Okay, N value in this case for zinc and copper, it will be 2. Now if N value is 2 student, so let us place out the value. So E cell is equal to, it is going to be 0.0591 upon 2 and log Kc. E naught cell for zinc and copper electrode is 1.1 volt equal to 0.0591 upon 2, and it is going to be log Kc. Now you cross multiply student, this is the volt, so it will 2.2 volt equal to 0.0591 log Kc, right? Here you see student, so log Kc is equal to, it is going to be what student, 2 by 2 upon 0.0591. So log Kc is equal to, what will be there student, if you are solving this student, so this value what we are going to get student, we are going to get student 37.28. This is there. Now Kc is equal to, it is going to be antilog, this is the antilog, how much student, 37.28, right? How to see the antilog, that is what the most critical things many students are facing the problem here. Okay, to find out the value of antilog student, it is the most difficult things. Okay, so log, how this is the value in the term of you are going log. So you can write here student, how can you in the approx terms, you can write this one, Kc is equal to antilog, Kc is equal to antilog in bracket 37.3. That you can write approx 2.28 means 0.3. Now this is the value of what, student? Value of what? Value of log 10 power 37. अब now you know log, what is there, student? Log a power n, so it is going to be n log a. So log 10 power, log, if you are writing 10 power 37, so it is going to be 37 log what, student? A 10, log 10 value 1, so it is going to be 37. So this is what? This is 3. This is value of what, student? This is value of log 2. This is value of log 2. Now how can you write, student, in this one? Antilog in bracket log 10 की power 37 plus log 2. How we writing log 2? Because we know, since we know log 2 is equal to 0.3. Okay, so this we are writing log a into b, what, student? Log a into b. So log a plus b, log a plus log b. This is, so log a plus log b is there, so we can write that is log a into b. So here antilog in bracket what it is come, student? Log 2 into 10 power 37, right? So log and antilog will cancel out. So what will be there, student? 2 into 10 power 37. So this is what the Kc value you are getting, 2 into 10 power 37. So this is the easiest way to get the equilibrium constant. Thank you so much for watching.